Welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. This is the fourth and final soap I'm doing tonight, like on this day. But it is a remake of something you've just recently saw. Reason being is I did not look in my batch book for my fragrance oil stuff, whether it discolors or anything like that. And I didn't like the way the bar turned out. Anyway, this is my dragon's blood. It looks like crap. And I'm going to insert a picture like right here of the way it's supposed to look. And that's what we're going to do. I was trying to change it up and I should have just left it the same. Didn't help that I didn't have any really red at the time. But it's our raw recipe. So there is honey and heavy cream. Oh, jeez. Whew. Having issues. Goggles on the face. That would be helpful. And in my lye water, there is distilled water and sodium hydroxide and salt, which some of my salt is sticking to the bottom. Alright, I'm going to get this to just before emulsification. And then we'll add our yogurt. It's yogurt time. Alright, here's our yogurt. Oh, yeah, I just took that out of the fridge. I have to make sure to stir this in really, really good. Alright, let's go. Okay. Alright, so we're going to have white, black, and sterling silver, and the base is going to be red. So here's our activated charcoal. And our sterling silver. And our white. And I will not be putting it in the white. And I don't need that much white either. So, but I need to, let me go ahead and use the frother on this really quick first. So that way it's already done, I don't gotta worry about it. Oh, mix. There we go. Okay. There we go. That'll work. And I'm going to stir my other colors first, too. So, yeah, I was really disappointed, trying to switch things up, and I should have read my notes. I mean, I know better. I really do know better. It was terrible. I was in a hurry. I've been making so much soap lately, stupid busy, and, sometimes things like that fall through the cracks, but, I'm always going to check now because that happened. So, yeah. I can hear my husband upstairs talking to one of the baby grandkids because he's baby talking. So cute. Okay, make sure you guys can see. I need to put that camera up a little bit higher so you guys can see better. Let me drop some of this really red in there. And this does have to be stick blended because it is a pigment. Alright, close that up so I don't spill it all over my counter because it stains on my counter. Okay, look at that beautiful red. I love it. Love it, love it. Just get it off my stick blender. Okay. So I think I'm just going to put the fragrance in the red and the, well, yeah, I can put it in the gray. It's not going to be that big of a deal. Alright, so majority of it in there and then in there. And I'm changing the mold I'm using. My daughter and I had discussed it. We want all of the men's soaps to be the squares. So it'll be done in a different mold than it was last time. So it's going to be, what is that, 2 1/4 inches wide. And I fill them all the way up to the top. So they're 2 1/4 or whatever it is, high as well. So, oh, I love the way Dragon's Blood smells. By the way, those bars that I can't sell, I used 6 of them to make laundry detergent. I was out of my laundry detergent. I make that myself. And my clothes smell so good, like a dragon's blood. So, it's a powder that I make it, my laundry detergent. So, okay, let's get, I love how this just is water. All right, let's get our mold over here. Let me move this out of the way so we can get our mold over here. I am so sweaty. Hold on, guys. I'm turning on my fan. I need to turn on my fan. My goggles are starting to slide off my face. I'm so hot. Like I said, it's my 4th soap tonight. So, okay, here we go. We got our red. I'll do my white first. Oh, you can't see, can you? Dang it. Let me get this out of your way. I think I'm going to take my hanger tool to this. Gray. That didn't stay water for too long now, did it? And my black. I think I used my hanger tool when I did it the time before last. Red. Oh, maybe I didn't. Oop! Just stuck the handle of my bucket in there. Okay, there's one color. And 2 colors. I'm going to put some of this black in there, but I want some of it on the top. Okay, here's the rest of our red. I hope I wasn't in your way too much, guys. Yeah, I think I am going to take my hanger tool to it. Well, this was another quick soap. At least the soaps I'm doing are pretty quick because I make them quite a bit, so it's like flash bang boom. Okay, let me get, oh, where's my washcloth? There it is. Grab my hanger. I have to fix that. All right. Who's on the phone? Who is it?
Lauren, the baby.
Oh, well, she has to wait just a second.
She's almost done.
Can you take it upstairs, honey? I'll come up when I'm done. Thank you. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. My daughter and her family are in Nashville. And they're calling to check in, I guess. So, and she's got Malia with her. So that must have been who my husband was baby talking. Was our little Malia. And I'm going to do the top of this soap the same way that I did before in the other one. I told a story. If you haven't seen that video, I told a story about South of Heaven, which that's what this soap is inspired by. My son, Christopher, my business partner, my Marine, he names all of our men's soaps, and he named this after a Slayer song, and I talked about how my husband and my youngest son are drummers. It was a great story. I just So I'll link it in the description box below in case you want to watch it. Alright. Oh, not set up enough. Alright, we'll be back. I'll go talk to my grandbaby and we'll be back to do the top. I guess they went to the beach and the baby was crying every time she would see her mom and her sister and her brother in the water. And I guess when they were at the hotel pool, she was, you know, they took her in the water, and then when they would take her out and sit her like on the edge of the pool, she was trying to jump in. This is coming from a baby who hated baths just 4 months ago. Yeah. That's so funny. So funny. I'm just pulling up with my spoon, texturing it. It's kind of weird that they're on vacation because usually I have Ava and Zayden at least, you know, once a week. You know, I have them on the weekends too, so this coming up weekend they're coming home, but I'm not going to have them this weekend either. But I've been watching the kids for Lauren and Chris while Lauren, if Lauren has to do a closing shift, because her work is, you know, pretty much right across the street from my house, and it's just easier for her to go to work from our house. So, alright, that is south of heaven, and let's hope that this looks a little bit closer to the time, not the last time, but the time before that we did it. So I'll see you in 18 to 24 hours to cut this. Oh my goodness, I cannot speak English ever. Oh, remove that. We're back to cut south of heaven. I just got to get these edges off of here. My mold decided to be a brat and leave me some edges I had to trim off. So I don't know why I trimmed the side edges when I'm just going to cut his end piece off anyway. Okay, here we go. Now this should look like it's supposed to, you guys. Move that just a little bit further. Oh yes, that's more like it. Oh, I'm so happy. You know what? That thing's getting loose again. I don't know what's wrong with that bolt. Did I move you guys too bad? Okay. Because if you remember, I still have it sitting here. This is what it looked like last time. Because the fragrance discolors. What teaches you gotta look at your batch book. That's what you keep one for, Sulin. Although, you know, I've almost completely switched over to my Soap Maker 3 Pro. I got that for Christmas last year for the business, and yes, we celebrated business Christmas, so I could keep better track of my inventory. And you know, I put notes and stuff in there, but I haven't, you know, I didn't make Dragon's Blood from the time that I got the software. Did that even just make sense? You know, I didn't start putting batches in until January, and I think I made my last batch. I'm sorry guys, soap is sticking to me. I think I made my last batch of Dragon's Blood 6 months ago. Well, I mean, 6 months, so like in June of last year. Maybe it was August. I think we sold out in August. It was really hot when we sold out of it. So, and I, you know, was gonna make it again because it sold well at the shows. So that other one just didn't pass muster, but my laundry sure smells lovely. So, okay. You know, I could make a video on how to do your own laundry detergent if you want. It's up to you guys. I don't have to, no big deal. It's a simple recipe. You know, powdered laundry detergent, I should say. I mean, I do know how to make liquid, I just haven't had time to make any liquid soap lately, not even just soap, with everything that's going on. So, alrighty. Let's get you on the... Whoop! Just moved, y'all. Oh, my washer's spinning. It's taking off. I really like it. So much better than the other one, you guys. This one I'm happy with. Oh, I don't know why. I mean, I knew that it was mostly red. I don't know why I decided to do mostly white. I'm pretty sure I had decided that I was going to switch the design up, but obviously that didn't work. There was a reason I made it all red. We all know what that is now. Okay, we have what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I think this is just a little bit bigger than an inch, but I doubt I'm going to be able to get... Yeah, I'm not going to be able to take that end piece off. It's just going to have to be planed. Although I do really like the way it looks on that side. Maybe I won't. I don't know. So, alright guys. Thanks for sticking with me. I appreciate you as always, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.